Myself Sanmati Purvat. I am giving presentation on case study on current transformers and analysis of performance and application. Introduction. Current transformers. Current transformers are devices used to measure alternating current. They provide a reduced accurately proportional to the current in the circuit. Widely used in power system for metering and protection. Working principle. Current transformers operate on the principle of electromagnetic induction. They consist of a primary winding, a magnetic core, and a secondary winding. The primary winding is connected to the high current line, and the secondary winding provides a scale down current. Types of current transformers. Wound type primary. Wound type primary winding is physically wound on the core. Toroidal type, no primary winding, the line conductor passes through a window in the core. Bar type, primary is a bar forming an integral part of the system. Application, power system protection, for example relays and circuit breakers. Metering and instrumentation, monitoring and control in industrial systems. Case study overview. Objective, to analyze the performance of cities in an industrial setup. Methodology, field data collection and comparative analysis. Outcome, recommendation for optimal selection and installation. Performance analysis, analyzed accuracy, burden and saturation characteristics. Identified issues with harmonic distortion affecting accuracy. Proposed a solution for improved performance. Conclusion, current transformers are crucial for accurate measurement and protection in power system. Proper selection and installation enhances efficiency and safety. Continuous monitoring is necessary for maintaining accuracy. Question and answer. Any